Hi friends, here is another plan with me with my Plum paper planner. All right, we are in, the first week of February. First, what I like to do is to put a rectangle around the current week. Helps me stay on track. And then I put weekly tasks here that I know I want to get done, but I don't know exactly which day they'll get done. More loose things that I want to get done every week. So I follow how Jen does its method of cleaning, kind of. So instead of cleaning one room at a time, I do one task at a time for the entire house. So I dust and clean the glass of the whole house at once a week. I vacuum. She Swiffers and mops every week. I should, but I just know myself and I will not do that. So I try for once a month, and actually I should do it this week. So dust and mop floors, bathrooms, and sheets. Then I'm gonna write my workouts. I wanna do 3 strength training and 1 interval or cardio. I am just getting back into shape, so I am trying to just keep it at a bare minimum. I mean, that's not nothing. It's a good amount. And what else do I need to do this week on a weekly level? I need to call the YMCA about something. Oh, there was something else I really need to get done this week. Okay, I don't remember. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections. The top 2, I have the first one says AM and then PM. It's kind of like an hourly taskmaster for me. So let's see what we have going this week. Well, my parents come in tomorrow. Mom and Dad in town. And I think they're here, through Saturday maybe. Thursday night we're having dinner with them. I don't know what time, but I'll put it down here. Dinner with Mom and Dad. Friday night is Phil's grandma's birthday. Dinner for Bev's birthday. Friday's gonna be my in-office day. And Norma is with my mom. And Saturday, Sunday, Thursday. I don't think I really have any appointments or anything. But today is Monday when I'm doing this. So from about 6 to 11, I want to work. And I'll have to take breaks for Norma. And I need to grocery shop. Okay. Let's get to house. So in this section, I do specific cleaning tasks, stuff for the kids, anything really personal. Today I need to do diapers. I cloth diaper, so I need to do those. I'm just gonna do all the laundry for the week. So tomorrow I will do clothes. Wednesday, diapers again. I usually do diapers every other day. Thursday, we'll do towels. Friday, we'll do clothes and diapers. Saturday, sheets, and Sunday, diapers. For other stuff today, I want to brew my kombucha and repot a plant. Okay, and so this is just a setup. I will obviously be writing things as they come up during the week. This next section is fitness. I consider meditation part of my fitness routine. I am on a 40-day meditation kick. I meditate almost every day, but I'm really trying to push it for these 40 days and do 20 minutes every day. So I'm gonna write meditation in every day, and I actually did this morning already. Sometimes I do a guided meditation on YouTube, or I'm in Gabrielle Bernstein's monthly group, or I will just put on some soothing music and do my own thing. Okay, so I have these strength trainings. I actually already did one today. We have workout of the month A, B, and C. I'm in a special fitness group. Let me know if you have questions about that. So I did workout of the month A today, which is a strength. So I can already cross strength training one off. And I'm gonna do the second one on Wednesday. And I'm not going to fill in the rest of these yet because I just don't really know how my second half of the week is gonna shake out yet. So that will be it for now. YouTube, well, will you know it? Today, right now, film a plan with me, and I want to edit said plan with me. I want to get that up tomorrow. It might be pushed out till Wednesday. Tomorrow I want to film a Young Living video, and I will probably get that up maybe, I don't know, I'm not going to schedule that in yet. Also on Wednesday I need to get my newsletter ready. I try to send out a newsletter every Thursday, and I have been completely slacking. I don't even know why. It's been drafted for a couple weeks, the next email, so I just need to get that out. Okay, Instagram. Today I posted my weekly intention, which I actually write right here. If you follow me on Instagram, every week I pull a card, and that's my intention for the week from Gabrielle Bernstein. So I write it right here. I slow down and listen to the guidance that's available to me. So I have that right here. Okay, I am leading a book club. If you're watching this in a timely manner, you're not too late if you want to join us. We are reading You Are a Badass. It's actually my third time reading through it, and I just want to connect with the women sometime today, and I want to get reading. I haven't started it yet for this go around. So I want to connect on that. And what else? I think that's it for now. Tomorrow I just need to do some planning for Instagram. I'm really good at being on stories daily on Instagram, but I'm not so good at getting regular content out every day. Okay, then I have a box for Young Living. I'm obsessed with Young Living, and I am a distributor for them. And today, one of my new customers is having trouble with her order. So I need to connect with Andrea. I'm sending a sample out to someone. And, oh, I should have done this on top. I am doing a course called Silver in 90. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's a free course. If you're in the Young Living business and you want to be in it, anyone can be in it. You don't have to be in my downline or anything like that. So message me. But anyways, what should I call that? Silver in 90? How about SI 90? day 3 because it started, or I started on the 1st. Silver in 94, silver in 95. It is in Facebook. I just need to watch a short video every day, and she has a task or 2 every day. So I need to get on that. And oh, you know what else I want to do this week? Is get James's Valentine's. Because every year we wait till the last minute, and I'm not going to be that mom at Target the night of the 13th, because that's not fun for anyone. So I want to get that ordered. I think I might even get them on Amazon just to save a trip to Target. I love Target, but the Valentine's section during Valentine's Day, no thank you. Wednesday, I'm all over the place. Wednesday for YouTube, I have a collab with a company I want to reach out to, and I like getting things for free. I don't get paid a lot for YouTube, so I might as well ask for free things. This is just me being honest. We're getting chickens this spring, and I really want to get a coop for free, and I can share it on my YouTube channel, and I just think it's win-win-win-win. So I want to reach out to some companies for a chicken coop. If you sell chicken coops, I will promote it for you. Give me a call. So I think that is everything. I am a really basic planner. I'm not into washi tape and decorating. I love that. I love watching other people do that. I think it's amazing, but it is just not for my kind of brain. So this is what you get. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.